Does the Google Pixel 7 have a sharp edge? Now, I've watched a bunch of reviews about the Google Pixel 7, and a lot of them mention something about like a sharp edge on this specific Pixel 7. So, let me clarify a few things over here for those of you who are prospective buyers of the Pixel 7 and might be worried about it. So, does it have an edge? Yes, it has an edge. If you swipe from here, like your thumb goes like this, then you are going to feel it. But what those reviewers don't tell you is that 99% of the time you do not swipe your thumb like this. You are going like this. So you're not going over the side onto the screen. You generally go from here. And in that case, you are never ever going to feel that sharp edge which these glorified salesmen are talking about. That is not a con for the Google Pixel 7 because all these videos make it look like a major con for the Pixel 7. It has a sharp edge. No, that is not the case. If you are swiping like so, like I am doing right now, you are not going to feel that sharp edge. So this sharp edge talk on the Google Pixel 7 is just overblown and should not affect your purchase decision for the Google Pixel 7.